Hello guys, welcome to my channel Perfect Nose. This is Evie talking to you in this video. And you guys know the topic I'm going to talk in this video that I have already placed in the thumbnail. It may cause some brain the curiosity to know the answer, then wait till the end of the video to know the answer. Or the teachers replaced by artificial intelligence in future. I forgot to add in future in the thumbnail. But we all know that in future only that possibility we are talking about are the teachers replaced by the artificial intelligence. Let's get into the video to know about the answer of this question. AI is rapidly transforming various aspects of life, right? Including education also. I want to tell how AI is assist and enhance the role of teachers. AI can automate tasks. AI can automate tasks like grading, scheduling, attendance, managing students' record, various students' record. This would free up teachers' time, allowing them to focus more on the personalized instruction and student engagement. This is the first one that makes the role of teachers more and more enhanced. And second one is the personalized learning. AI can analyze students' data to tailor education content to individual needs, learning styles, and phases. This can lead to more effective learning outcomes. And the third one is AI powered tools, which can make education more accessible for students with disabilities by speech to text, text to speech, and the real time translation. And next one is the AI can provide students with real time feedback and support, acting as intelligent tutoring systems that guide them towards mastery. However, there are some crucial aspects of teacher role that AI cannot assist or AI cannot replicate. First one is emotional intelligence. Teachers provide empathy, understanding, and the emotional support which is necessary for a positive learning environment and a social, emotional of a student. And this is the most crucial human element which is lacked by AI, now currently lacked by AI. And the next one is mentorship and guidance. Teachers act as mentors and role models, shaping students' values and attitudes. This human element is also lacked by AI because AI only provides the content, right? And the next one is teachers can adapt their teaching methods based on the immediate needs and the response of their students in the way that AI with students may struggle to do this one. And the next one is fostering critical thinking and creativity. While AI can deliver content, human teachers are essential for fostering critical thinking, creativity, and complex problem solving skills through interactive discussion and activities. AI may replace teachers and doctors within 10 years by making expert advice freely available. However, many educators and researchers believe that AI will significantly change the education landscape. It will primarily serve as a tool to assist and empower teachers rather than replace them entirely. The future of education involves a hybrid model where AI and human teachers collaborate to create a more effective, personalized, and engaging learning experience. AI can handle repetitive tasks, provide data driven insights, while teachers can focus on the human accounts like teaching, creative thinking, fostering relationship, providing emotional support, and encouraging critical thinking. You guys know that AI also can make mistake. AI robots can also make mistake, right? To avoid this, we need to if the AI plays a major role, AI plays a major role in the education. If AI take over the educational part, we need teachers to guide that AI because AI can make mistakes, right? What are the reasons? Might I tell that guidance of humans is needed for AI? If AI were to take on significant teaching responsibilities, having teachers involved in the implementation and monitoring would be vital for several reasons. First one, ensuring the education quality. Teachers have the professional experience to evaluate whether AI deliver content and methods are truly effective and aligned with the educational goals. Next one is providing human connection. As we discussed earlier, the social emotional aspects of learning and mentorship are hard for AI to replicate, and this human element can be used by only human. That means teachers could still provide this crucial support, but AI cannot provide this. And the next one is AI can personalize learning to some extent. Teachers can use their understanding of individual students to ensure that AI is meeting their specific needs and adapting when necessary. And the next one is ethical consideration. Teachers can help ensure that AI is used ethically in education, avoiding biasing and promoting fairness. And these are the reasons that I tell that AI should have a human guidance, even if they took over, if they have advancement to took over the education system, they need to be controlled by humans. Maybe a collaboration between a AI engineer and teachers to so a person, the person can know how to teach and how to evaluate the students education, empower the students education, and know how to control AI for a better education, right? As I mentioned earlier, AI can significantly assist teachers in various aspects of their job, making their work more effective and impactful. Here's how: by grading, scheduling, these are the most, because job time taking job, this AI can automate administrative tasks like grading. Like AI can automate the grading of assignments and exams, particularly multiple choice, fill in the blanks, and even essays to some extent, providing a quicker feedback to the students. AI can help track attendance and generate progress reports, saving time on paperwork. And AI can assist with scheduling parent teacher conference, other school related events. A powered platform can adjust the difficulty and content based on students' performance, catering to individual learning needs, learning speeds. AI can help teachers create or find materials that are better suited to different learning styles and levels. And instant feedback for students. AI chatbox and virtual assistants can answer students' questions in real time, offering explanation and guidance. AI can provide insights into students' performance data, helping teachers identify students who may be struggling and the areas where the class as a whole needs support. Some AI tools can analyze classroom dialogues to provide teachers with feedback on their teaching patterns. AI can help translate materials, generate text to speech or speech to text features, making learning more accessible for students with diverse needs. In essence, AI serves as a powerful assistant, taking on some of more time consuming and data intensive aspects of a teacher's role, allowing educators to focus more on the direct interaction with students, fostering deeper understanding and providing personalized support and mentorship. The future of education is likely to see a strong collaboration between AI and human teachers. There is a chance for a stronger collaboration of AI and humans teachers in the future, not the jobs of teachers are replaced wholly by the AI. The future of education is a topic of much discussion, right? As we have discussed early, while AI offers incredible potential to enhance education, the complete replacement of teachers remains a complex and perhaps unlikely scenario. The human connection, mentorship, and the understanding that teachers bring to the classroom are invaluable. Perhaps the future lies on not in replacement but in the powerful collaboration between AI and educators. Ultimately, the questions of whether AI will replace teachers highlights the fundamental value we placed on human interaction in learning. While AI can automate tasks and personalize content, the role of the teacher often goes far beyond these function. It involves inspiration, empathy, and guidance in ways that AI is still far from replicating. The conversation about AI in education is ongoing, and the balance between technological advancement and human connection will be key in the shaping its future. And the answer for the question is the timeline is no. It doesn't. The artificial intelligence doesn't replace the teachers, but there will be a possibility of a collaboration between the educators, that mean teachers, and artificial intelligence AI to have a good educational education for the students in future. So there will be strong collaboration between two of them, and AI will assist the teachers, and teacher under teachers guidance, they will give a good education to all the students for their future. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share to your friends, families, and teachers. Like this video. Let me know in the comment section the thoughts that wondering in your mind about this topic. If you want more content like this, subscribe to my channel. Perfect Nose. Bye.